When your Piksi RTK kit arrives in the mail, it will contain a box with 2 Piksi OEM modules in a center tray and 2 side boxes with all other accessories. The kit contains 2 Piksi OEM modules, 2 GPS antennas, 2 ground planes, 2 USB cables, 2 radios, corresponding radio antennas, 2 radio cables, and 4 spare UART cables. The most important factor in successfully using your Piksi RTK kit is your area of operation. Piksi requires a clear view of the sky with no surrounding obstructions such as buildings or trees. Connect your external GPS antenna to your ground plane. Place the GPS antenna away from your body, the computer, and anything that may obstruct its view of the sky. Connect one of your Piksi to the external GPS antenna. Assemble the radios and connect them to your Piksi module using the radio cables. If using RFD 900 Plus modules, ensure that the black wire is on the left when connecting the module. Then, connect Piksi to your computer with the USB cable and open the console. Watch the tracking tab until your Piksi begin to acquire GPS satellite signals. Click the Solution tab and observe your absolute position solutions. The green LED on Piksi will flash a satellite count sequence. The first Piksi will be configured to be the base. In a typical RTK GPS system, the base is the GPS receiver which does not move and broadcast corrections to the moving rover receiver. Navigate to the Settings tab and scroll to the UART-A settings. Change the SBP message mask value to 64. Next, scroll up to the surveyed position settings and type the latitude, longitude, and height of the base Piksi antenna. Entering the base position will enable the rover Piksi to achieve pseudo-absolute RTK position. Toggle Broadcast to True and save the settings to Flash. Disconnect the Piksi from the computer and supply it with 5 volts from either an external USB power bay or a separate computer. Next, we need to configure the rover Piksi. Repeat the base Piksi hardware setup procedure. Then connect Piksi to your computer using the USB cable and open the console. Watch the Tracking tab until your Piksi begin to acquire GPS satellite signals. Soon you can click over to the Solution tab and observe your absolute position solutions. The second Piksi will be configured to be the rover. Navigate to the Settings tab and scroll to the UART-A settings. Change the SBP message mask value to 0. Soon, your rover Piksi will start receiving data from the base Piksi. The red LED on Piksi will blink every time it receives data from the base. Navigating to the Observations tab will also show the base and rover satellite data. If your base section is empty, this means your rover Piksi is not receiving data from the base. You can click on the Baseline tab and watch the left-hand side as your system begins the process of achieving a fixed RTK lock. Your system will start in float mode and the IAR number will be none. Soon the number of hypotheses will jump to a higher number and then begin counting down. At the end of the countdown, your system will switch into RTK fixed mode. The links in the description will direct you to the Swift Navigation wiki page, which has product specs, frequently asked questions, technical info, user guides, and more. We also have a discussion forum where users gather to chat about integration projects and swap solutions for common obstacles. If you have questions, reach out to us on the forum or through the contact page on our website.